having fun removing all engines and rolling stock from train.
This is the dispatcher. Do you copy? Yes, sir. Loud and clear. Over. Okay, start her up. Stand by for track orders. Roger that. Holding for your signal. Out. Dispatcher here. Take the green. Over. Roger that. Cleared outbound. Out. Train is moving, dispatcher. Over. Roger that. Have a good run. Out. Dispatcher, we still all clear? Over. Yep, clear ahead. Over. Thank you, sir. We're on schedule. Out. Dispatcher, are we cleared to the next milepost? Over. That's affirmative. You have a clear track. Over. Roger that. We're wearing the green. Out. This is the dispatcher. All clear inbound. Over. Copy that, dispatcher. Clear into the yard. Out. Dispatcher, train has arrived. Ready for the next run. Over. Dispatcher here. Switch your line. You're clear inbound. Over. Thank you much. Cleared into the station. Out. Dispatcher, stopped in position, ready to go to the house. Over. Roger that. You're on your mark. Out. See you next trip. We're all done. Out. New York Central, 5628. Do you copy? Roger that. 5628 here. Start up and stand by. Understood. I'll get this train up and running. Out. $5628. You're good to go. Over. Copy that, dispatch. We have that go sign. 5628 out. Dispatch, this is 5628 here. Train is moving. Over. Very good, 5628. Out. 5628 here. Any red boards ahead? Over. 5628. You've got green boards. Over. Roger that. All clear ahead. That'll keep us on schedule. 5628 out. 5628 here. Any yellow boards ahead? Over. 5628. You've got green boards. Over. Copy that, dispatch. All clear ahead. 5628 out. $5628, you are clear inbound. Over. Thank you, sir. Approaching now. 5628 out. 5628 here. In position. Brakes are set. Over. Welcome all 5628. You're in place. Sit tight. Out. Dispatch, this is 5628 here. Showing up on 9798. Do you copy? At 9798. Read you loud and clear. Start up and stand by. Copy that. NS 9798 out. NS 9798 here. Locomotive is underway. Over. Okay, 9798. Out. 9798, out. This is 9798. How's my track looking ahead? Over. 9798, you are clear ahead. Over. Copy, dispatcher. Making good time. NS 9798 out. Emergency stop. 9798 here, I'm hitting the brakes. 9798 here, engine is at full stop, over. Roger that, 9798. Good work. Out. This is 7909. I'm ready to go. Am I clear? Over. 7909, you may depart. Over. Roger that. We'll take the green. 7909, out. 7909 here. We're rolling. Over. Roger that. Out. Brother to Northern Santa Fe, 9380 here. Are we clear to the next milepost? Over. Affirmative, 9380. You are clear ahead. Over. Copy that, dispatcher. 9380 out. New York Central, 5628. Do you copy? Roger that. 5628 here. Start and stand by. Understood. I'll get this train up and running. Out. 5628, you're good to go. Over. Copy that, dispatch. We have that go sign. 5628 out. Dispatch, this is 5628 here. Train is moving. Over. Very good, 5628 out. 5628 here. Any red boards ahead? Over. 5628, you've got green boards. Over. Roger that. All clear ahead. That'll keep us on schedule. 5628 out. 5628 here. Any yellow boards ahead? Over. 5628, you've got green boards. Over. Copy that, dispatch. All clear ahead. 5628 out. You are clear inbound. Over. Thank you, sir. Approaching now. 5628 out. 5628 here. In position. Brakes are set. Over. Welcome all 5628. You're in place. Sit tight. Out. Dispatch, this is 5628 here. Okay, 4120. Out.
Hope you enjoyed the video. A comment, rate, and subscribe will be appreciated. Don't forget to ring the bell to get all the email notifications from Nick's channel.